Yeah, I should probably be working on the CRV right now. Priorities. What's up, guys? TFA back with Finding SQ, and I'm fresh back from the gym. Oh, I should probably put this somewhere else. Straight back from the gym, and I have got to get something done on this truck today because time is really running short. So I thought I would at least maybe run some wire, pull the battery, pull some plastics, make my power run to the back, speaker wire. Yeah, I mean, if I can just get that little bit done today, I'll feel a little bit better about myself. Oh, that was easy. I already loosened it. God damn it. Oh, lead acid garbage. See, pulling batteries ain't so hard. Oh man, I was hoping there was gonna be a grommet behind there. Oh, we might have to bust out the old unit bit. Actually, what is this? That looks promising. Where did that go? Might have something. What do y'all see? Can y'all see that? Right there. That looks like a good spot. Worst case, right here. Or, I mean, I guess worst case, we'll just drill a new hole. Because it ain't like this truck ain't got no holes in it already. All right, I think that's gonna be our winner right there. Investigation time. Dude, these, I don't know if y'all can see this, but these little, I think they're 17-degree razor knives that you buy for cutting vinyl wrap. These things are awesome. All right, so I repurposed my little tool that I use for get the windshield out, and jabbed it through there, a little exploratory fashion. I know y'all don't need a tutorial on how to run wire through a firewall, but there she blows right there. It's kind of a gnarly angle though, and I'm wondering if 1.0 is gonna get through there, but I guess I can try it out and see, huh? Well, that's a new development. XS comes on ovular rolls. Elliptical? Oval? It's an ellipse. That's fun. Also, I don't know if y'all know this little trick, but Armor All wipes makes for fantastic wire lube. So you start jabbing this way, and then hold the wire with in your other hand this way, and just roll or keep running the wipe down the wire. And the good thing is, if the wire is old, it cleans it at the same time. Humra. That's also another little trick. I mean, obviously that's kind of self-explanatory, but if you can, take the grommet off of the thing and just slide it up the wire so you don't suck the grommet back that way when you're pulling it. And we has a wire pull. We're through the firewall. I mean, that's the hardest part. It's done. God damn, real life keeps getting in the way. You know, it gets old having to get a special tool for every effing job that you ever do on any vehicle, mower, project. Who's got a frickin' 90-degree T40 star bit? Like, what the? All right, everybody, just calm down. Just calm down. It's fine. It's fine. All right, Dan. Dear Daddy Scotty, and Brother Sean. Can a poor man from South Louisiana please get a lithium power sports battery? It has been a day. Well, I'll tell you, adulting will really cock block you being able to work on your car stereo system. Talking to y'all outside the garage because if you live under a rock, Bitcoin is over $60,000. So I turned all my miners back on, so it's gonna be loud when we get in here. I don't know if y'all will be able to hear me, but basically I'm gonna get just anything done on this thing, and I think from here on out it'll be easier. The rest of this will be easier if I just pull the seats out. So my little one task I need to get complete for today will be pull the damn seats. So let's go pull the damn seats. Damn, look at that fat ass. Bruh. Dude, that dude is huge. Oh, fat ass. Go eat some bugs or something. Can y'all hear me? Test. Maybe they're not all that loud. All right. Do y'all ever put these back on? These things? I don't feel like I ever do. Stupid little shit. Just throwing this out there for people, especially seat belt bolts or seat bolts, or basically anything you don't want to lose. Put them back in a hole. It took me way too long to figure that out. Way too long in life. Put them back where they go, yo. It's not just that they make so much racket. They're like literal heaters. Ah! Both seats out. There's so much room for activities. Man, I need to get started on this thing. Woo-wee. I don't particularly like taking seats out and stuff, but this always gives you a great opportunity to clean this summit. Yummy! Ugh. Ugh. I'm calling it. I'm out of booze. And I got adulting to do, so maybe we'll have more action for you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.